Oh, hey. Yeah, alright. Oop, message. Hang on. Oh, hey. Oh yeah, sorry, phone sidetracked me again. I bought this lift and finally got it installed after some modifications to the shop. First thing I put on the lift was the S5, and guess what? I cut the exhaust off with a Sawzall. You know what those are? I'll go find one. Where did it go? This Sawzall cuts anything. Alright, so, we're back. So a friend of mine brought over his 83 CJ7 that he wants a head unit, installation, some speakers, and a subwoofer. Alright, let's see what we can do. Looks like we're gonna have to build a center console, get some custom made speaker pods, building the center console out of wood, gonna get it wrapped in leather or something, maybe some vinyl. Pretty excited to see how it comes out. Going with marine grade audio all around. That way if it would happen to get a little moisture in, it wouldn't be a big deal. That's all I got for now. Stay tuned for more build updates, probably more projects. Hopefully I'll finish a project here or there. Alright, that's it, that's about it.